Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today we've got a mix of weird stuff going on today. We got to do an oil change on my truck. We're going to do an unboxing of Eric's new tool cart from Harbor Freight. And we're also doing a very, very unsafe, weird pick of an air compressor. And that is the air compressor, what we're doing. That is what happens when you don't get something delivered to your house and you don't have a forklift at your shop to be able to take something that weighs over 300 pounds off of the truck, top of a truck bed, and it won't fit on the truck bed in the garage to pick it with the lift. So wish us luck. So we got the plow truck, the plow Jeep with the winch. We've got this on here. We're gonna try and winch it up to the tree, pick it, drop this on a trailer, and then once we get it on a trailer a little bit lower, we can back the trailer into the shop and then pick it again with the lift, and we should be able to get it off. But again, sketchy shit, fingers crossed. It's really top heavy, and we hope that this doesn't go south. Well, I should have recorded it, but we got it on the ground. Now we just got to get it on a trailer. It worked out a lot better than we thought. We may be geniuses. We may be dumb geniuses, but we got it. All right, so next we got it in place. It went well, it went great. Went a lot better than we thought it was gonna do. So now we're gonna go ahead, get my truck in here, get its oil changed, and get to unboxing this Harbor Freight tool cart that Eric's pretty excited about. I'm pretty excited about. It's their new color. It looks sweet. I may be giving one of these away pretty soon here shortly. So I'm excited for it, and Eric's excited for it. All right, so for my PPE drain plug, we've got a 5/8 here. Let's make sure we go the right way. There we go, broke loose. And we, of course, upgraded from the trans jack to now an actual oil drain. I cannot wait to see. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and let that drain out. I am now cleaning off my oil plug here, my drain plug. No metal shavings really on it at all, just some little bit ones, you know, common ones right there. I don't know here if I can show you guys. Yeah, you guys can't see it. My camera can't catch that, but not bad. Pretty happy with it. I'm gonna let this drain out, then we'll take the oil filter off, put a new one on, plug this up, and put some new oil in it. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead, get the oil filter off. If you don't have one of these wrenches, I'm not gonna show you how to do it, but if you don't have one of these wrenches, make sure you go ahead and get one of these because, man, these things are a lifesaver. Once you get it cracked, go ahead and just loosen it up a little bit. Let this drain out. Hey, stop it. Let this drain out just like this. And then once it kind of just dribbles, you can take it out and put the new one on. All right, so it's upside down, but this is the oil filter we like to use. It's a great, really high quality oil filter. It was out of stock the last time I used it, but we grabbed extra this time. Here is the part number on it. You can't go wrong with it. On Eric's Youth ATV here, he's got a new clutch put in, and this is gonna be the moment of truth for him. All right, so that was kind of a little random intermission in between the oil change. So what we got here is for our oil change, we run 15W40 farm rated. We have run Shell Rotella T4 in the past. This is way cheaper and a much better option. We also pair it with TBN Booster to give us a little bit of a longer in-between oil change intervals. I can honestly say you could probably go 10,000 miles with this stuff and this combo here. So we're gonna pop the hood and go ahead and throw the oil in here, which is the Duramax TBN increased to 4. What did we figure? We did 4, right? Yeah. 11 ounces. So 11 ounces of this TBN Booster is what you're gonna need for your oil change. Now you gotta make sure that you take that 11 ounces out of your oil when you put this in. Let's get some light. There we go. That's better. I am currently in the process of cleaning my WCfab air filter cover. So that is why this is all nice and exposed like that for right now. So this is how we do it. We take the 5-gallon bucket, pour it into here, measure out our quarts, how many we have. We have to fill this up twice to a different level, of course, because we don't want to put in all 12 quarts of oil. But anyways, we go ahead, throw this in the truck. So our trucks take a total of 10 quarts, which is like 2.5 gallons. I think if you have like a deep pan and a high efficient oil filter, I think that comes out to like 11. You'd have to check that, make sure you don't have a deep pan or something like that. But we're gonna get the remainder of these 4 quarts in there and then start the truck up, check the levels, get the things flowing, and realistically, oil change is done. We can get into that Harbor Freight toolbox. So I just started the truck, ran it. Now I'm gonna go ahead, check the old dipstick here. The fill should be pretty good. And now we're gonna go ahead, finish this up, and unbox the toolbox over there. All ever so popular mechanics cart from Harbor Freight. That guy right there. And upgrading to this guy is going to be a huge improvement for Eric. Oh, right side. Yep. That's nice. 4 keys. 4 keys. So not gonna lie, we were sweating a little bit here. We couldn't find any of the hardware. If you're getting a brand new one, the hardware is at the bottom of the drawer here. Wheels, wheels and wheels. And handles. So we're gonna do, hold on, let me zoom out. We're gonna do one of those finger snap things here to get you guys just magical, the magic of the internet, so you don't have to sit and watch us put this thing together, and we can give a quick little review on it. And just like that, we've got it all put together. I will say, these come with little grease zerks on the bottom. We did snap one of them off. That is, you know, part of your Harbor Freight quality. But this toolbox is freaking awesome. Look at the old one compared to the new one. This was a home-built one that Eric did. This is a great toolbox. There's nothing. I do like that it comes with the padding itself. The shocks are really nice. If it's down like this, you can't open these drawers because it locks itself in without even locking the top. And now you can go ahead and open the drawers. The drawers slide very nice. I do plan on giving one of these, actually 2 of these away. I'm going to give away 2 of these. So pay attention to that coming up here. That's going to be an announcement shortly here after another big announcement that I got coming for the channel. So keep your eye out for that. I'm going to be giving away 2 U.S. General tool carts, mechanic tool carts from Harbor Freight. You'll be able to pick your own color. But I can tell you right now, this is an awesome upgrade. It's an awesome thing to have, whether you're small and you just work on your own vehicles. This is a great tool cart if you need for that in your driveway. Even if you're a smaller mechanic or you deal with a small shop, it's a great tool cart for a great cost, you guys. I will link this below for you guys. I will definitely do that. Like I said, it's a great cost for what you get. I am very surprised at it. Eric's extremely happy with it. He's going to take his time now to figure out where he wants to put all his tools and everything like that. You know, your ratchet, your wrenches, your sockets. But I do want to show you guys this one thing. Right here, I won a giveaway not too long ago, and I got this Ulsa tool socket organization kit. It's a great kit. It's a magnetic kit, magnetic bottom and magnetic holders. You can put all of them in there. You can tip it upside down. They're not going to go anywhere. I'll link this below for you guys. We'll give you an update on these when we get everything in here and installed and put together, everything like that Eric wants, where he wants all his stuff. I'll give you an update on this. We have a metric set and a standard set. I think it's at $80 for one set. But like I said, it's very high quality. And we'll let you know when it comes to that point. So this video was absolutely all over the place. I appreciate you guys standing with me, staying with this video, watching the craziness of everything that happened in this video. Little updates on the shop with the compressor, Eric's new tool cart. We've got more new tools coming on the way. The giveaway that's going to be coming up very shortly, you guys. Stay tuned for that announcement. I think I'm going to launch it in June. So pay attention for that one. Have yourselves a great night. Have yourselves a great weekend. And we will see you in the next video.